Alright, we're working on the mystery bug today. The late model, it wants to be an early model. But we're going to put some sway bar bushings. Got a kit here. Customer provided this kit. Comes with the bushings, the locks, the clamps, everything you need to do this job. Now we're probably going to take the sway bar off. I'll clean this up, paint it, and then reinstall it tomorrow. These are upside down. They should be on the bottom. Should be like this, so you can access these. We'll try to get those off, see how it goes. There's going to be some interference issues with the ball joint or control arm there. So you make short work of that, and then you'll need a pair of pliers to stretch these off. These are already aftermarket, and don't seem like they held up very well. A lot of times the bushing gets compromised on install. People use like WD-40 or something on the bushing. Whoa, you guys just about went over on that one. But anyway, the bushing gets compromised from the petroleum products. So if you need to lube any kind of suspension, Volkswagen bushing, anything on a Volkswagen really, suspension wise, you can use KY jelly, works really well. Let's see if these will just go on here. We'll clean that all up for this guy. He can't get under here and work on his car, so sway bars, paint's coming off of it, and the beam's getting a little scaly, so we're gonna scrape the beam down and we'll spray some black under there and clean that up for him. But that's how you get the sway bar off of a Volkswagen. We'll turn it around correctly, get everything painted, and then reinstall everything. I'll take you guys to the other side and try not to knock you over. Yeah, this has got hose clamps on this side, one hose clamp. One hose clamp over here, no bushings. I'll go and lock the steering wheel, but we can just do this. Takes care of that hose clamp. Anyway, this thing's a little rusty. We'll clean that up, get it painted. I'll reinstall all this stuff and make another video. So, that's how you get the sway bar off of a Volkswagen.